ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਅਕਾਲ ਅਕੈਡਮੀ। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਪੈਡਾਗੋਜੀ ਚੈਪਟਰ 7 ਐਰਰ ਐਨਾਲਿਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਐਮਸੀਕਿਊ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜੋ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਕੁਝ ਈਅਰ ਤੋਂ ਪੇਪਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਨੇਗੇ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਐਮਸੀਕਿਊਜ਼ ਕਾਫੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਰਸਟ ਐਮਸੀਕਿਊ ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। When introducing menstruation, a teacher writes all formulas on board before proceeding further. This reflects that she following the which method? First option is a deductive approach. Second, experimental approach. Third, practical approach. Fourth, inductive approach. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ use ਕਰਦੇ ਆ? Deductive approach. Question number 2. The most effective teaching aid in mathematics is so visual. Second option is right answer. Question number 3. Mr. Manish used lot of manipulative math lab activities and ICT activities to clarify the concept of symmetry. Mr. Manish wants to ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ caters to students of all learning styles. So right option is third. Question number 4. A student absorbed the following examples. ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਨਰਲ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ a plus b into square root a square plus ab plus b square. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਨਰਲ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ 10 ਦਾ ਸਕੁਅਰ ਰੂਟ ਆ ਜੋ 100 ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਸੋ 5 plus 5 the power 2. Same 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 power 2. 8 plus 2 the power 2. 1 plus 9 power 2. So ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਆਂਸਰ ਕੀ 100. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਥਡ ਡਰਾਇੰਗ ਕਨਕਲੂਜਨ ਐਨਾਲਿਟਿਕਲ activities deductive inductive. So right option is inductive. Question number 5. Salman solves -3 minus 4 is equal to +7. This error is committed as or Salman needs to practice solving problems of similar types. Second, Salman has not understood the concept of multiplications of integer. Third, Salman is careless. Fourth, Salman is not clear about the concept of addition of the integer. So right option is 4. Salman is not clear about the concept of additions of integer. Question number 6. So a problem solving method is first, teaching the development of mathematics in a historical, social, and cultural context. Second, cultivation of mathematical ingenuity, creativity, and heuristic thinking by the making students open-minded. Third, gradual and systematic guiding through the hierarchy of mathematical notions, ideas, and techniques. Fourth, teaching of mathematical result definitions and concept by repetitions and memorizations. So right option is third. Question number 7. A suitable approach to introduce coordinate geometry in class 9th is through the use of option 1. Demonstrations using technology integrations. Second, solving problems. Third, lecture method. Fourth, role play. So right option is second, solving problems. Question number 8. A very common error absorbed in addition of linear expressions in 5y plus 3 is equal to 8y. This types of error is termed as clerical error. Second, conceptual error. Third, procedural error. Fourth, careless error. So second option is the right answer is a conceptual error. Question number 9. The method of mathematics teaching which is not suitable to teach lower classes. Option 1, analytical method. Second, lecture method. Third, laboratory method. Fourth, inductive deductive method. So right option is second, lecture method. Question number 10. The correct order of steps in scientific method is first, hypothesis, experiment, problems, conclusion. Second, problem, experiment, hypothesis, conclusion. Third, experiment, problem, conclusion, hypothesis. Fourth, problems, hypothesis, experiment, and conclusion. So right option is fourth, problem, hypothesis, experiment, then conclusion. Question number 11. Which of the following method will use to develop aquarium? First, heuristic method. Second, problem solving method. Third, project method. Fourth, programmed method. So right option is project method is third option. Question number 12. Which of the following teaching method was invented by Callipatic? First, problem solving method. Second, project method. Third, heuristic method. Fourth, demonstrative method. So right option is project method is the second option. Next question. The first step of scientific method is first, forming is a hypothesis. Second, making an observation. Third, conducting an experiment. Fourth, predicting the result of experiment. So right answer is second, making in observations. Next question. A method of teaching in which students work like a researcher and solve the problems. First, inductive method. Second, deductive method. Third, project method. Fourth, heuristic method. So right answer is fourth. Question number 15. Appropriate method for establishment is the formulas in mathematics. First, induction. Second, planning. Third, synthesis. Fourth, none of these. So right answer is first, inductions. Question number 16. With the help of GeoGebra software, students can learn all concepts of geometry through exploratory approach, second, inquiry-based approach, third, project-based approach, fourth, lecture-based approach. So right answer is third, project-based approach. Question number 17. While teaching flowers of Versica, Campestic, which of the following would be the best suited method? First, observation method. Second, lecture method. Third, field trip method. Fourth, discussion method. So right answer is third, first, field trip method. Question number 18. We use to perform which of the following to test a hypothesis? First, experiment. Second, examination. Third, evaluation. Fourth, result. So right answer is experiment is first option. Question number 19. Which of the following is not an activity-based teaching method? First, demonstration method. Second, observation method. Third, heuristic method. Fourth, lecture method. So right answer is fourth, lecture method. 20. Inquiry method is also known as first, problem solving method, collection method, heuristic method, classification method. So right answer is third, heuristic method. Question number 21. To establish which type of correlations a mathematical teacher must have a versatile knowledge of basic element of different subject. First, incidental correlations. Second, systematic correlations. Third, both first and second. Fourth, none of these. So right answer is third, both first and second. Question number 22. Read the following questions from class 6th textbook. Write a pair of integers whose sum gives a negative integer the above questions refers to. First option, reflect questions. Second, close-ended questions. Third, multidisciplinary questions. Fourth, open-ended questions. So right answer is reflective questions. Question number 23. In geometry class of 6th grade students, the teacher explained the construction of angles measuring 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree with the help of demonstration of constructions and bisector of an angles. Then she asked the students to construct an angle of 50 degree and an angle of 45 degree. This task at the point reflect the teacher's intentions too. First, assess the learner's assess summative assessment. Second, give exposure of experimental learning. Third, assess student understanding and ability to combine skill learn. Fourth, engage every student in some work. So second option is right answer. Give exposure of experimental learning. Question number 24. Simplify the rational number minus 25 upon minus 30 is equal to minus 5 upon 6. This error can be considered X. First, procedure error. Second, error due to wrong interpretation of problem. Third, careless error. Fourth, conceptual error. So, fourth is right answer is a conceptual error. Read the following problems given in a textbook for class 8th, 7th. A map is given with the scale of 2 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer. What is the actual distance between two places in kilometers? If the distance on the map is 2.5 centimeters, this problem is based on higher order thinking. Second, to enhance problem solving skill. Third, interdisciplinary in nature. Fourth, investigatory in nature. So, fourth answer is right. Investigatory in nature. Next, which one of the following is not a problem solving strategy in mathematics? First, solving backwards. Second, rotate learning. Third, trial and error. Fourth, drawing. So, third is the right option, trial and error. Next question, using technology-based games involving factorizations of a number or formation of new shape by joining 2D shape, etc. First, enhance students' understanding by explorations. Second, help teachers assess student performance. Third, help teachers manage student. Fourth, enhance students' numeracy and computeral skill. So, right option is fourth. Representation in mathematics does not refers to first expressing symmetrical result as theorem, second expressing data through graphs, third expressing number sequence through patterns, fourth expressing relation between two variables as equations. So right option is second, expression data through graph. Question number 29. In exclusive mathematics classroom, strategy for visually challenged learner is first, send learners to special educator. Second, design alternative teaching, learning and assessment method. Third, offer another subject. Fourth, pair them with high score. So right option is second, design alternative teaching, learning and assessment method. Next, suitable method of arithmetic teaching is first, project method. Second, demonstrative method. Third, analytical method. Fourth, none of the above. So right option is third. Next, which objective achieves as teachers in classroom teaching? So, cognitive, affective, philosophical matter. So, all of the above is the right answer. Question number 32. In mathematics teaching, main role of mathematics teacher is first, philosopher, second, friend, third, counselor, fourth, all of these. Suitable method of mathematics teaching is lecture method, demonstrative method, third, inductive, deductive method, fourth, all of the above. So third option is the right answer. Next, the objective of macro teaching is option first, teaching by using macrophones. Second, analysis training teacher is performance. Third, teaching lesson in macro part. Fourth, macro manage student behaviors. So right option is third, teaching lesson in macro parts. Next question. From journal to particular principle is applied in first, deductive method, second, inductive method, third, synthesis method, fourth, analytical method. So right option is deductive method. So thank you, students.